kapatiran. Triskelion, anumang pagsubok ang pinagdadaanan natin ngayon, kaya nating lampasan gaya ng sakripisyo ng ating nakakataas na powerful one up above, as witnessed by many of us this holy week. Proud to be part of this family bond. Triskelion, family bond that's strong, with love that's divine. We stand together through thick and thin. We all know it is not easy to live our Triskelion way of life.
Tiwala lang mga kapatid. We all know our kapatiran will rise up again.
Like what happened to the powerful one up above who died for us and rise again to continue the good work and pursue a